As of 2008, for the first time in history, more of the world's population lives in urban centers than rural areas. On average, people spend 90% of their time indoors. And as a result, people are more sedentary, exposed to higher levels of toxins, and are more likely to experience depression and lower health levels in general. These issues can become amplified when occurring in an urban area that is experiencing abandonment, crime, and high levels of concentrated disadvantage. For interior designers, focusing on improving the health, safety, and welfare of our clients is vital. For this project, an abandoned building in a strained area is being repurposed into a community asset. The design solution considers both human and environmental issues, serving as an example of how a historic structure can be repurposed with sustainability and longevity in mind. This building is approximately 150 years old and located in the Over-the-Rhine neighborhood in Cincinnati, Ohio. This neighborhood has the highest concentration of historic Italianate buildings in the United States, and there has recently been increased interest in saving these buildings, many of which are currently in a state of disrepair. Consequently, this effort has resulted in added strain to the remaining community, where the average household income has stagnated near the poverty line for many years. Though some positive changes resulting from an increase of interest in this community has been the establishment of urban garden plots on cleared lots. This is especially a positive asset for local children, who could be at risk for developing nature deficit disorder. Children in urban areas may visit distant natural environments, only to perceive a static example of natural processes. Repeated exposure is key to understanding and valuing nature as something to be preserved and respected. For this community center, natural, living elements are incorporated into the design environment. So the barrier is then lessened between the people in urban environments and the natural world in order to inspire positive attitudes about sustainable choices. This Community Nature Center is to be inhabited by local garden groups as a central educational space. The design will reflect the user's goals of teaching home gardening and environmental stewardship. This new design solution for an old building facilitates the user's ability to sustain themselves.